Hello, class 10th. Today we are going to learn basic English grammar and composition, that is part 2, correct usage, chapter 33, page number 267. Open page number 267. Words often confused and misused. We can see words often confused and misused. Basically, in English, there are lot of similar words which are pronounced same but have the different meaning, and we are misused using those words. So see, the following pairs or groups of words are often confused because they are similar either in meaning or in sound, form or origin. Some of them are very similar in meaning, so similar as to be called synonyms. Take for instance the word see or look or observe or glance at or notice. Such words mean nearly but not exactly the same meaning. Yes, not exactly the same meaning, but these are the similar words which are also called as synonyms. Okay, the see here, you can see here accept. What is the meaning of accept? To agree, to take willingly, consent to. Sudhir accepted my invitation. Yes, accepted means taking away, taking off. We are taking off that whatever they are giving or whatever it is, we are taking that. Accept. Except is but, not including. Except is but not including. Means we are saying objection, some objection to that. All except Sudha were present at the party. See, for example, I say all homeworks you have done except English. Means objection here. So there is something which I have not done, which is not, but okay. Optional. This is the optional one which are not except. Option is except we have not done. Means you say that today we have lunch, except we have a lunch and dinner except breakfast. Means there is an option, means you have done two things, that is dinner and lunch you have done, but lunch is not done. Yes, that is what except. So what is the difference between these two words? You can see accept, ACCEPT, except is EXCEPT. Yes, pronunciation there is little similar, but when coming to the meaning, that is different. See second one, access and access. Access is to approach, it's a process, or he has an easy access to the minister. Means the access is some process, but here excess is what? More than what is needed. Excess. We have excess of food. I have took excess of food. I'll take for example. I took excess of food, means I took more food as normally I took the food, that is more food I have taken. Excess is not the normal one, abnormal one. Okay, excess. Similarly, you can see the third one, exceed and exceed. Exceed is consent. Means I cannot accede to your request. Means I cannot go through your request or like that. But when coming to exceed is passing away, surpass. His expenditure exceeds his income. Means exceeds means more than his income he is spending. His expenditure is, means he is spending money more than his income. That is what called the exceed. So these are the similar words which are confused and misused when we are pronounced or wrote in a book. So that similar words are there. Please go through page number 267, like that those are given, words are given. Read those words and go through the exercise. Page number, open page number 274. You can see page number 274 and 275. Exercise 1 and 2. Exercise 1 and 2. Options are given. Read out the questions and select the right word in the given brackets and write it there. Thank you.